Hi, this is Dave Hughes again from mobilesignalsolutions.co.uk. Today what I want to talk about is tools that you need for a self-install. Our focus is predominantly for commercial, so we have a team of engineers with highly sophisticated equipment, but we do understand there's people out there that just want to get a small bit of signal in a room or a small part of a house. So what do you need? A drill. You're going to be making some holes, so you need a drill. You need to make sure you have some masonry bits, so you need a small one which will be used for the brackets that you use to fit the amplifier itself. You need a bigger one for the cable to get through the wall. You may need a short one like this or a longer one like this to make sure it gets through the brick wall. You're going to need a screwdriver. There's a few parts you need to just open and close. I'd recommend having a number of different types of bits. You need a little bit of tape, because if you are bringing the cable outside, either use a little bit of tape to attach it to an existing pole or cable, or you could use some of these type of clips. Everything else comes with the kit. So you're going to get all the screws that you need, you're going to get the roll plugs, and you're going to get a full set of instructions. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to sit back and we're going to look at what we actually get in the box that arrives and how we put it all together. The most important part of any install is the outdoor area. The reason for that is it's often said rubbish in, rubbish out. For everything to do with business, it's the same with your mobile signal booster. If the signal that you're bringing in is rubbish, it won't work. So this is the outdoor area you're going to get. It's got a little sticker on it which tells you which side is up. So make sure you have that facing up. If you face this to the ground, you're taking your signal from the ground. It will not work. If you face it to the sky, it will not work. What you need to do is you need to be able to pick up the base stations that are in your area. The signal you're going to carry is about 30 degrees, okay? So about 15 degrees either side of it. So as you look at it, that's the way you are, and you're moving it around and you're picking up different base stations. Look at the 8-point test. So take your antenna, make sure you have it pointing up and point it in the 8 directions until you get the one that works best for your network. Now, how do you attach this to the wall? If you have a pole on site, it's great. You use these brackets here and you attach it to that pole. If you don't have a pole, you need to buy something like this. It's very simple. You take this end, you screw it straight to your wall. You then attach in this end here. You take 2 small screws, put them in, and now you have a mounting bracket. So if you need, make sure you get that at the checkout. Once you do, you've got to attach it. Like all good cookery shows that we watch, I made one earlier. You've got 2 U brackets like this, okay? And then you've got 2 flat ones, okay? So the U brackets go against your pole, push them in. You've got 2 other pieces in here which are quite flat that you can see in the middle, and what they do is they fit against the pole. So I don't know if you can see, but they actually fit against the pole. So you push through the brackets, you attach on to this part, okay? What happens then is you've now got this securely mounted onto your pole. Now leave it with a little bit of leverage. So I've unscrewed these slightly, just a tiny bit, but it gives me that ability to move it around a little bit. Genuinely super simple. 2 wee brackets, and you've got your little nuts here that you just tighten up. Once you have the outdoor aerial secure, and again for now just point it in any direction, this then connects, okay, to a cable. One end of it is an N-type connector, like so. So that's wider, it's about 25 mil. That will connect to this end of the cable. You simply take off the cap and then you screw in till it's nice and tight. This end, this is an SNA connector. This is only about, say, 8 mil. That's good because this is where you need to make a hole from the outside into your house. So, drill bit. You're going to need to take the drill, put the drill bit in and go through. You'll still get away again with, I'd say, probably a 9 mil, 10 mil if you want to do a bit of silicone after. This is 15 meters of cable, so you push it through that hole. So this end connects to the aerial outside on your wall, okay? It will probably run down a drain pipe. So this 15 meters, if you've got a black drain pipe, let's run it down along that. Maybe get to the sitting room, maybe the study, drill in, and once you drill in, you then get the amplifier itself. This is the high boost 5-band H10S. Probably one of the better amplifiers out there, but also one of the more expensive. Now, what you have to do with this little booster is use the bracket that comes with it. It's very, very simple. It comes with the screws and it comes with the roll plugs. You just need to get a small drill bit, masonry drill bit, that you can drill a small hole for the roll plugs, put them in. This will then fit directly onto the wall. Really simple. Again, all it is 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. Okay? Once it's screwed on, the back of the unit simply slides down. On we go. You've got the red end that we spoke about on the cable, which is the tin end to make the holes going into the house really, really small. You have an indoor and an outdoor. Make sure you connect it to the outdoor section. So the signal from outside comes in here. The amplifier itself is intelligent. It will do all of the work. You've got 5 symbols, and those 5 symbols are the whole series of bands in the UK. Everywhere from 700, which is your old TV stations network, all the way up to the 2100, which is your traditional 3G. This will broadcast everything that's legal at Ofcom as of January 24. You're future-proof to a large extent. It is intelligent. All you do is connect it up and you will get the best reception. It's touch screen. If I touch it, it will show me my outdoor power, it will show me my gain. When you've got your aerial outside, look at your output power. The higher you can get it, that's the best location. You'll notice it on your phone, you'll see your bars switching up. So genuinely, that is all that comes to making a small self-install. If you like what we do here at mobilesignalsolutions.co.uk, like or share, and hope to talk to you again soon. Thank you.